Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to flip rows and columns quickly in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to flip rows and columns quickly in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to flip rows and columns quickly in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction. Okay, here is our table. We want to flip rows and columns quickly to it. So Control Shift right and down to highlight all the table, then copy, go to new sheet and Control V paste. Now go back. We will right click and paste special and click transposed. It will flip rows and columns quickly, and that easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to flip rows and columns quickly in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.